this project, you are going to need a mason jar, some pretty garland, fake lollipops, a gingerbread man, a ribbon, and some decorative pinecone pieces. I got the lollipops and the gingerbread man from Michael's and the pinecone pieces from Joann Fabrics. This is totally customizable, so you don't have to do it exactly the same as mine. If you can't find the lollipops or the gingerbread man, try making them yourself. The next DIY project is similar to the first. The only thing that is different is the aesthetic. I used garland, a bell from Dollar Tree, fluffy pom-poms from Michael's, and a white bottle brush tree from the dollar store. You don't have to glue anything on if you would like to switch it up for the seasons. This is a great gift for a loved one. Next up is this shabby chic pinecone centerpiece. I got the jar from Dollar Tree. The pinecones you can also find there, and you can just paint them white on the edges, or you can check other stores to see if they have them already painted. I put all the pinecones in the jar and tied a lace trim bow around the top of the jar. I topped it off with pearl trim. For this DIY, I took a bunch of small blue ornaments and hot glued pretty details onto them. They turned out really cute and they were very easy to make. Next DIY is so simple and so glam for the holidays. I painted a clear plastic ornament from the Dollar Tree. They have two different sizes, but I chose to paint the larger of the ornaments. You can do so many different colors and put them on your tree or just use them around your room for decor. You can also make this into a garland. I hot glued a tinsel pipe cleaner to the top of the ornament and then stuck my false eyelashes onto the ornament to complete the look. For this DIY, I took this hanger I got at TJ Maxx after purchasing a blanket. I didn't want to throw it away because I hate throwing stuff away. I painted the hanger a pastel pink color and I did 2 coats of paint. Then I painted these wood appliques from Joann Fabrics and hot glued those to the hanger. I tied a bow from ribbon scraps I had laying around and used some Mod Podge to paint the top of the trees, and then sprinkled some glitter on the tops of the trees to complete the look. This DIY is one of my favorites. It was so easy to make and took no time at all. I cut equal parts of tinsel to create each vintage Starburst. You can create all different sizes and you can even add these to a frame. I bent the tinsel into shape and hot glued everything together. This last DIY project consists of 2 nutcrackers from Dollar Tree, a welcome sign from Dollar Tree, pine cones, diamond trim, and paint. I started off by painting the nutcrackers pink. I left the dark green part because I felt it gave a vintage vibe, and I actually ended up liking the 2 colors together. Next, I'm taking this glitter sticker wrap from Michael's and gluing that to the nutcracker to add some extra glam. I hot glued the pine cones on the end of each side and then hot glued the welcome sign to connect the 2 nutcrackers. This is the final result. Those are all of my fun pink Christmas DIY projects. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Also, be sure to follow all my social media. Everything will be linked down below as usual. And I will see you guys in my next lovely video.